Look at it! Wipers on! Come on! Give me a go! Come on! This guy's gonna get it for me. Follow, huh? Toyota Innova versus a Lamborghini. all the motorcycles are getting revved up now.
Oh, this sucks.
Come on, come on, come on!
Okay, I think.
Everyone's really oh, tension is in there! Innova's number one!
We're speeding!
Papa won! I won! I
We're
won!
speeding!
I won!
Slow down! Red light! Red light! Red light! Red light! Papa, red light! Papa, red light! Red light! Red light! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, no, red light, red light.
See? That Toyota Innova.
Red light.
Yeah, I couldn't do it. You got a CC.
The Lamborghini didn't. Weird Innova. Innova beat Lamborghini.
Yeah, a white Innova versus a white Lamborghini. Yeah, there. Stay on the other side where it's traffic. Where there's less traffic. You can't touch me, fool. Bleh.
Dad.
He's too scared to go fast.
See?
Kasi he's gonna destroy
No.
his car.
This is faster. Look at it. Then this is blinking pop. We won. We won. See? Tell all your friends. Remember that, Nikki? Tell all your friends.
Daniel.
Tell Daniel. His dad's car's in trouble with mine.
I'll also tell Hans and Rand
Tell Daniel his dad is a BMW. We have a Toyota Innova. If I race his dad, is not gonna win. We went against a Lamborghini.
His dad owns the sports version of the BMW.
That's why it's a Lamborghini Jeepney. It's faster than a BMW. It can't win. That's Batangas Motor Works. Papa's faster than any. Yeah. Because it's run with shell velocity. You know what? Inside here is the same gasoline. When a Ferrari goes out, it's the same gasoline. Just the gasoline.
You know,
Made
the
my car
policeman
faster.
was right over there. They were caught.
He won't. He was just watch. He wants us to like kick ass. Because he's seen it. Even my wheels, have you seen it? There's no threads anymore. It's called slicks. Because it's really old.
In Assumption nga, di ba, sa Lorenzo Village, you see the owners in the morning before they go to work. All they do is shine their
Stop that now! I won!
Okay. Bye bye.